I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Car Care Hacks here. In today's video I will be talking about the symptoms of a bad rollover valve. The purpose of the rollover valve is to stop any fuel leakage in the event of the vehicle rollover. The rollover valve is attached to the carbon canister and closes automatically when the vehicle rolls over. The first symptom of a bad rollover valve is check engine light. While the rollover valve might seem like a minor part, it is essential for proper vehicle operation. This pipe-shaped rubber valve is located in the fuel tank and controls the airflow from the tank. It is designed to close when the car rolls over so that fuel does not escape. But if it becomes damaged due to age or wear, it could get stuck in the open position. This change in air pressure would trigger a check engine light, since abnormal air pressure can affect engine performance and throw off other sensors. Over time, oil or sludge buildup can further clog or damage the rollover valve. This will result in reduced engine power or misfires, which are also indicated by warning lights on the dashboard. The second symptom of a bad rollover valve is engine stalling. The rollover valve controls fresh air coming into the fuel delivery system. This air helps reduce the risk of fire when gasoline enters the cylinder after ignition has occurred during a sharp turn or sudden stop. If there is no rollover valve, then an explosive mixture of gasoline and air could enter the engine, potentially leading to serious damage. When a rollover valve isn't functioning properly, it can cause stalling due to an inadequate supply of fresh air entering the combustion chamber. Inadequate air prevents enough oxygen from reaching the spark plug, which causes difficulty igniting fuel. Without enough oxygen and fuel, there will be no combustion and thus no power generated for your engine, now causing your vehicle to stall. The third symptom of a bad rollover valve is no start. A rollover valve is part of the fuel system and needs to hold enough pressure for fuel to flow freely from the tank to the engine. If it fails, then not enough pressure will be built up and fuel won't reach where it needs to go. As a result, you will get no response when turning the key, literally no spark in the chamber because there's nothing to burn. Before we continue, if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe. Symptom number 4 of a bad rollover valve is failed emissions test. When a car begins to fail its emissions test, it can be difficult to determine the source of the problem. One common cause is a faulty rollover valve. This valve is responsible for reducing hydrocarbon and carbon monoxide levels in the exhaust system. If it becomes blocked or damaged, these levels can rise significantly. The most obvious symptom of this issue is an overall decrease in engine performance. Ignition may become sluggish, power and acceleration reduced, and fuel economy will suffer. Over time, this can lead to an unhealthy buildup of unburned fuel in the system, eventually leading to higher concentration of noxious gases being released into the air. Symptom number 5 of a bad rollover valve is clunking noise when you start the car. If the rollover valve damages other parts of the exhaust system like mufflers or catalytic converters, then it will create a loud clunking noise every time you start up or stop your vehicle. If you hear any such noises coming from your car, take it to a qualified mechanic immediately. They can diagnose and repair any issues with your car's exhaust system.